Hi and welcome to this tutorial, where we will explore three powerful supply chain apps by LogHub: Center of Gravity, Center of Gravity Plus, and Fixed Center of Gravity. Each of these tools helps you determine optimal facility locations across your supply chain network, from warehouse seating to hub optimization, but with slightly different approaches and capabilities. Let's go step by step and highlight what makes each one unique. Open Supply Chain App setting located in Excel. We'll start with the Center of Gravity app, the foundation for location optimization. This app determines the geographically weighted center or centers of demand, based on your customer or supplier addresses. When you generate the template, it comes with the pre-populated sample data, showing what information is needed and how to complete each cell. Start by uploading a table of addresses, such as those of your customers, suppliers, or production plants. The more detailed the data you provide, the more accurate the geocoding and calculation results will be. If you enter only a country, for example, the system will assign the location to the center of that country. For the most precise result, enter the full address. The weight column assigns higher influence to specific location in the calculation, for example, based on demand or shipment volume. It is a mandatory field as it represents the importance of each customer in numerical form. This value can reflect actual weight, revenue, shipment value, or any other numerical metric of your choice. Additionally, in the parameters in the side panel, you can choose the number of centers you want to find. In our example, we are looking for 3. Toggle minimize distance parameter on and off. When minimize distances is turned on, Center of Gravity works in 2 steps. First, it finds the initial DC position using a single weighted average. Have your customers pull the center closer, without minimizing anything yet. Then, in the second step, the tool fine-tunes that position by minimizing weighted distances, creating a more efficient final location. This option is on by default. You can also select your preferred distance unit, and toggle Save Scenario if you would like to store your setup on a cloud-based platform to compare it with others later. Then you can proceed with the calculation. In the Outputs table, you'll get 2 main outputs: assigned addresses, showing how each location is linked to its optimal center, and centers, listing the coordinates and aggregated weights for each calculated center. The map view provides a dynamic visual overview, displaying customer locations, calculated centers, and connecting relationships between them. This allows you to instantly see the spatial distribution of demand and the proximity of each customer cluster to its assigned center. You can change colors and styles, and share the map with your team, same as with all the other apps from Supply Chain Apps portfolio. In the dashboard, you can review KPIs such as center weight distribution and customer assignments, helping you quickly assess the efficiency and balance of your network design. Proceeding to the Center of Gravity Plus, which expands upon the core functionality of COG with additional flexibility and analytical depth. Here you can customize your analysis using any numerical values of your choice, such as weight, volume, revenue, or any other metric that can be expressed numerically. This flexibility allows you to model complex supply chain dynamics and highlight the metric that matters the most to your strategy. For example, you can emphasize revenue for profitability-driven optimization or weight for logistics efficiency. As with the COG version, start by providing your address list. It would be good if addresses are already geocoded, especially for large datasets. You can easily do this with our geocoding app. In the side panel, you can define the number of centers you want to identify. Select your preferred distance unit, kilometers or miles. Assign importance value to your weight, volume, and revenue columns. These values help the algorithm determine what matters the most for your business, whether that's tonnage, shipment size, or financial impact. The algorithm multiplies each parameter by its corresponding importance value, sums the results, and divides it with 3. If you want to use only 2 parameters, you can either enter zeros in the column you wish to exclude, or set the importance of that parameter to 0. And again, choose if you want your distance-saving parameter on or off. You can also save scenario to compare it with others later. After filling the input table, you can proceed to the calculation. In the output table, you'll get the assigned addresses table, listing customer to center assignments, and centers table, summarizing aggregated weights, volumes, and revenues. The results are also available for visualization in the map view, while the dashboard provides KPIs and summary metrics across all three criteria. Finally, let's explore the Fixed Center of Gravity app, designed for users who already have existing facilities and want to determine optimal locations for new warehouses, while evaluating whether their current sites remain efficient. This app serves as an excellent starting point for brownfield analysis. We'll start with two datasets. One for customer addresses and weights we previously covered, and another for existing fixed centers, such as your current warehouses or hubs. As with the other app, start by setting the number of centers. For example, if you already have 3 fixed centers and want to find 2 additional ones, set the total number of centers to 5. Besides that, you can also choose the distance unit and toggle save scenario and minimize distance parameters. Once all data is entered, you can proceed to the calculation. The results include 2 tables: assigned geocodes showing which customers are assigned to which centers and the distance between them, and centers summarizing total weights, coordinates, and distance saving potential compared to your current setup. By including fixed centers, the app can reveal potential efficiency improvements that would be achieved if those centers were not fixed. That is, if you were running a greenfield scenario. The app calculates weighted distances, and the percentage shown in the table indicates the potential efficiency loss associated with each fixed center. In the map view, you'll see both existing fixed centers and the newly calculated optimal centers, along with the connecting relations to customer locations. The dashboard highlights KPIs such as distance saving potential we mentioned earlier. If you saved multiple scenarios, you can also perform side-by-side comparison to evaluate how different configurations perform. To recap, COG determines basic weighted centers, providing a quick geographic overview of optimal locations. COG Plus expands the model with weight, volume, and revenue to capture more realistic business factors. Fixed COG incorporates newly optimized centers to your existing network and pinpoints to saving potential if you optimize the fixed centers' locations. All three include intuitive map views for spatial insight and dashboards for performance tracking, ensuring your results are both accurate and actionable. If you want to include your sources, product segments, and optimal service level into center of gravity analysis, check out our advanced COG tutorial. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. For more information and troubleshooting tips, make sure to visit our support resources online.